Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion ngayon itong post ang balita ngayon. Pahayag ni Ombudsman Boying Rimulya yung plano niyang gagawin laban sa mga Duterte, lalo na si Tatay Digong. Sabi niya, "We will dig it all. Boying Rimulya will do his own investigation on PRRD's war on drugs." Laga, "We're gonna dig it all out." This was the statement of Ombudsman Boying Rimulya when he confirmed that his office will reopen the investigation into the war on drugs of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. "We will dig up all the complaints there during the drug war." But alongside his declaration, many have criticized why Rimulya seems energetic in raising old issues and seems to question whether it's a distraction to the billion-peso corruption in flood control projects that are hotly guarded by the public.